This is a 10 Plus tutorial. In the next seconds you will learn how to send over 10 photos with WhatsApp. First, open your gallery and pick the folder containing the photos you want to share. You can share as many photos as you want. Your photos, touch the share button and choose 10 Plus. Pick the recipient and send the photos. The app will send the first group containing 10 photos. The notification bar will stack the next groups. Choose the group and send it the usual way.